I have a hardtop for an XKE Jaguar. It's aftermarket, made in California. This is an aftermarket hardtop for a XKE Jag, like 1961 to 1970. I don't think there's any problem, maybe even a little later than that even fitting. And the vinyl top on it, it's in really good shape. I mean, it's in really good shape. It's not perfect, and but if you need a hard top, and if you've been watching, I see some of the factory hard tops bring, I think I saw one on Bring a Trailer bring 17 grand. I don't follow them very close, so I really don't know, but anyway, you can see this thing's it's a real good shape. It's got lights inside, and I don't know about wiring them, but they're probably right there somewhere. We get the wiring for it and hooked up and everything. I have a Jag right here right now. I mean, you can just see this thing looks decent, but we're gonna put this top on, and there's the manufacturer there in California. I looked him up a long time ago. I've had this top for a long time, but I really don't need it, so I might as well sell it. It's gonna go, no reserve. I mean, you just see how the vinyl all looks really good on here on this top. Everywhere you look, there's a little spot right there, but I don't even know if that's anything. I don't know, you can't even show it up. Anyway, it's not perfect, but it's pretty damn nice, and it'll sure do the job for you. So I think you'd be real happy with it. We're gonna put it on the car so we can take a video on the car. I have a Jaguar hardtop right here that I'm looking to sell, and I've had it for a long time. It came off of a 65 Jag XKE, if I remember right. We have it sitting here on this 1970 XKE Roadster we have. I put it on there mainly just so you could see it fit and how it looks. And so if you're looking for a nice hardtop, I think you'll be real happy with this. You can see this hardtop was made by Dyna Plastics in El Monte, California. And I also have the VIN tag in the inside of the hardtop. You can see it's 1,269, so I assumed it's a 269th unit made. Maybe that's all we got to do. I don't know. I can't see what I'm doing. The latch? It hooks in. I don't know. Oh, you gotta tighten it up too, huh?
I gotta give it some slack, it won't reach.
Oh. We had to do a little adjustment on the clamp to get so it over center. There it goes, it's on. So there you go. I don't know how or what it sets on that back here to hold it. But now it's latched on. So there you go. You can see this top on there.
That's solid.
Okay, now he's gonna show you the latch right there. He just took it off and he put it back on. So that's the bracket right there. There's one on each side, and I'm not sure what you would hook it into, but you'd have to make a bracket that bolts on to the body right there. You got a couple of different spots there with attachments. You could, some way or another, you could make a bracket to go up and attach that, and then your top would be on solid. As you can see, the soft top is right there, and it fits in here also, so you don't have to take the soft top out to put the hard top on. It's all right there and works just great. We can crate the hardtop for you. I want $500 to build a wood crate for it, and then whatever your shipping would be. Or you can come pick it up here at Drager's Clubhouse, and we'd be more than happy to have that happen too. So, and you'll enjoy seeing Drager's Clubhouse. We got a lot of neat stuff on display all the time.